Hello guys, this is Zanikia Taylor. I am going to walk you through how to do an open house. So this is for all my realtor friends. If you've never done an open house, I'm going to give you some of the basic essentials that you can do even as a first-time agent or someone who's on a budget. Because let's admit, if you're brand new, most people don't have the money out the gate to be doing an over-the-top event, but just know it can still be super nice even on a budget. So come on with me. So first of all, I want to let you know that all of my essentials came from the Dollar Tree. And so we have some goodies. I'm going to make sure that we have water for the visitors. We have some snacks. I bought a nice decorative bowl. I also have some mint. So it is not the cough drops. That's for me. But it is the holiday time, and so I'm promoting getting in your home before the holidays. So I wanted to keep up with the theme for the holidays. So I have some Christmas candy, and I've also picked up some very cheap, inexpensive ornaments. Now I'm going to also repurpose these just so you know for my own home, but I am going to put some of these ornaments into these nice glass dishes that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And so I'm going to show you the final setup once I get everything the way that I would like it. So, one moment. I have officially set up everything how I would like it to be set up. And as you see, I now have antlers. These I already had at home, so these were free from a few Christmases ago from with my family. But I want you to see the setup. And then I'm going to take you outside so that you can see how I am going to draw attention to get buyers and people that are passing by to stop through and check out this new property. Okay, so luckily this home already had an island in it, but if you're showing or you're doing an open house for a property that does not have an island, look for nice counter space, or if they already have furniture in there. So like this one has a table. I could have easily used a table and put down maybe like a tablecloth and some items, but you see that I put my candy canes in this nice clear jar. I got water, which was a full $1 for the whole pack. This was $1 for the candy canes, $1 for the jar. I bought 2 bags of pretzels. They were individual mini pretzels, so that was $2 plus the bowl was another $1. I had this jar actually already at home, so I brought this jar for free, and then I took the ornaments and I put it inside of that bar or that jar, and then I bought this jar and the bag of peppermints, and it's also some chocolates in there. So 2 bags, that's $2 plus the glass. And now here you want to be able to collect your buyer's information. So you want to always have like an information sheet with the property's address, all the details and amenities for the neighborhood or the property, and then also get them to rate it so you know what's their level of interest, and also if there's some things you may be able to do better. For example, one of the questions is the overall condition of the home exterior. So you may say, well, it's not in the best of shape. So this will help you to possibly make some changes to help your property get sold. And then of course you always want to have your business cards. So my business cards are here. Plus I also have business cards here. I also brought my my mini iPad, so I'll be able to take notes and details as buyers come in. So that's the setup, very inexpensive. Everything total was about $18, so less than $20, and I have everything set up the way that I want. So let's go outside. So typically I do open houses for about 2 or 3 hours. Nothing too crazy, definitely not 8 hours or 6 hours, anything like that. Do it a couple hours. If you did a great job with marketing and getting the information out about your open house, then it doesn't require for you to be here a long time. So I wanted to show you guys, I also bought balloons. They are in the Christmas colors. Like I said, I'm promoting getting people's in a home for the holidays. So I bought some balloons to draw more attention to the property. And so when the guests or clients or buyers stop by, then I'll be able to open them with welcome arms and give them a tour. I'm going to also give you guys a quick tour of the property as well, because you might know somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody that may be looking for a home in the metro Atlanta area. This is a beautiful, beautiful neighborhood. And so we're going to start by giving you a tour of the outside of the unit first. Okay, so as you see, this is a full brick front side property with a 2-car garage. This is in a very nice neighborhood, quiet. Houses are a good amount of space apart from each other, so it's not like you're not on top of your neighbor. I know that's one thing I always look for in a property. You guys enjoyed the tour, and so just want to give you a few other quick tips when doing an open house or working with the listing agent on a property. There are a few things you want to go through with them just to make sure the property is ready for open house time. So you want to first make sure, again, that you've checked the listing so that if there is a alarm, you have the alarm code, and that you also get there at least 30 to 45 minutes early, so that allows you enough time to set up, get your signs out, and prepare for the buyers and the realtors that will be stopping by. You want to also make sure that you communicate with the listing agent or the owner of the property to have them to make sure that the property is clean. No one wants to come and view a property that isn't properly maintained or it doesn't look appealing to the eye. So you want to make sure that it's clean, it smells nice. You definitely want to make sure that it smells really good inside the home, because as they're coming, they want to make sure that they can envision themselves being there. You want to also make sure that the client or the agent ensures that the property has been completely decluttered. I know sometimes when you've been in a home even for multiple years, you collect things, and so it could easily become cluttered, and you may say, well, it's my home, it's not cluttered to me. Well, yes, we got to think about the buyers on the other end. What do they see when they first come into the property? So just make sure that it's decluttered. Make sure that you also leave the property like you found it. So I showed you how I have all the things set up downstairs in the kitchen area. I will make sure that I remove all of those items. Make sure that you lock the home back up. If there's an alarm on it, you want to make sure that you put the alarm back on the property as well. And then you want to just be dressed professional. So I actually have on a cute little dress. You can't see me full. I'll post a picture. But I have on a nice dress. Make sure that you have your name tag if your company provides you with a name tag, and that you look visually appealing as well. No one wants to buy or do business with someone that does not look like they are about their business. So I hope that this video helps, especially all of my new agents that are out there. Good luck. Take it one step at a time. Know that you are good enough wherever you are. I'm sure my presentations and my open houses will get better over time. I'm just getting started too, but I am definitely grateful and proud of myself for what I am doing so far, being so new in this industry. But see you guys next time. Drop a comment below. Let me know if this was beneficial, if you have other questions, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.